Imagine 2026. AI revolutionizes vehicle repair marketing. Local drivers search online. AI targets with hyper-personalized ads instantly. No more random posts. Now, ads reach the right customers nearby every time, maximizing every marketing dollar and effort. Visitors land on sleek websites. AI chat responds instantly, answering questions and booking appointments faster than ever before. Once booked, AI handles all follow-ups, ensuring every job opportunity turns into a real appointment at your shop. After service, AI sends automated review requests, boosting your shop's reputation online effortlessly and consistently over time. All the data flows into one smart dashboard, tracking growth, jobs booked, and customer satisfaction, all in real time. America's Best Shops offers this powerful, streamlined system to help you grow faster than ever before with AI. Faster responses, more jobs, better reviews, all controlled with one smooth interface. Your shop, fully AI-powered, ready for growth, ready to transform your repair shop's future with AI. The next chapter of customer winning starts now. Are you in?